Alpacas are native to Peru, but can be found throughout the globe in captivity. Alpaca is a domesticated animal. They are easy to care for since they are not limited to a specific type of environment. Alpaca farming provides crucial economic opportunities. They typically live in temperate conditions in the mountains with high altitudes. An adult alpaca generally is between 32 and 39 inches in height at the shoulders. They usually weigh between 48 and 90 kilograms. There are two modern breeds of alpaca, Suri alpacas and Huacaya alpacas. Both breeds produce a fiber that is highly valued. Typically, the greater the number of small folds in the fiber, the greater the quality. Alpacas are typically sheared once per year in the spring. Each shearing produces approximately 2.3 to 4.5 kilograms of fiber per alpaca. An adult alpaca might produce 1.4 to 2.6 kilograms of first-quality fiber, as well as 1.4 to 2.8 kilograms of second- and third-quality fiber. Alpaca fiber is used for making knitted and woven items, similar to sheep's wool. These items include blankets, sweaters, hats, gloves, scarves, a wide variety of textiles, and ponchos in South America, as well as sweaters, socks, coats, and bedding in other parts of the world. Alpacas can be very gentle, intelligent, and extremely observant. Alpacas use a communal dung pile where they do not graze. This behavior tends to limit the spread of internal parasites. One female approaches the dung pile and begins to urinate or defecate, and the rest of the herd often follows. Alpaca waste is used as fertilizer. Most female alpacas come of breeding age, within 2 years of their birth. A male is usually ready to mate for the first time, between 18 and 36 months of age. Alpacas can breed at any time throughout the year, but most breed during autumn or late spring. The gestation period lasts about 11 to 12 months, and usually results in a single offspring, or crye. Twins are rare, occurring about once per 1,000 deliveries. After a female gives birth, she is generally receptive to breeding again after about 2 weeks. The average lifespan of an alpaca is between 15 and 20 years, and the longest-lived alpaca on record is 28 years. Alpacas eat mostly hay and grass. Alpacas usually eat 1.5% of their body weight daily for normal growth. Nail and teeth trimming are needed every 6 to 12 months, along with annual shearing.